What's up YouTube? I'm Michael and behind the camera is Ellie. We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. First time for aluminium. Be right back. Ready? Sup dogs? Sup dogs? Got both. Let's get to it. Okay, so there's two ways to say this type of material. Aluminium with two eyes or aluminum with one eye. Both are correct, just in case you didn't know. Did you also know that North America is the only country that says aluminum? Me either. I had to look it up. Anyway, time for another first. We have a customer whose dad works in a machine shop and thought it would be cool to give him a pen made from aluminum. So here we go. An aluminum rod paired with a G2 chrome kit from Penn State Industries. So there it is, aluminum, aluminium, however you want to say it. Both are correct. I guess we got lazy and just started saying aluminum. I don't know. Anyway, this was an interesting pen to turn. It was very rough on my lathe. Even though you can turn aluminum with a carbide chisel, geez, it puts a lot of wear on the lathe. My mandrel saver, the other one, started coming apart. So now I gotta get in there and lube it up and screw it all back together. The shaft on my mandrel came loose and I had to tighten that back up. That's not a big deal, but luckily I caught it or it could have spun out and parts could have went everywhere. That would have hurt. I'm not touching the body of the pen. I'm gonna let the customer do that because I don't want my fingerprints on it. It's shiny. I was afraid that the aluminum wasn't gonna match the actual kit, but they go together very, very well. The person this is gonna be gifted to is a machinist, so he should appreciate it too. A nice smooth twist mechanism, and we upgraded the pen ink cartridge as well. So yeah, enjoyed doing it. I don't know if I want to do another one. It took a long time to cut.
Nice.
I'm not sure if I want to do another one, but I did enjoy it and I did learn something. So who knows? Maybe next time I'll turn a brass one, see what we can do there. That's also a soft metal. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. It helps you bring more content like this and it costs you nothing. Hit the thumbs up. We always enjoy the likes. Please comment. I like answering the comments and reading what you guys have to say, and share with your friends and family. That's appreciated too. We'll see you next week. Please go do something nice for a veteran today. We love you.
I think it's just your way of wanting more, getting more tools. I need more tools.
Need more money.